Okay, on top of a roof right now, inspecting a very old package unit heating and cooling system. While I was inside the house, the heating system would not turn on. However, the AC did. Now this box contains both the heating system and the cooling system. That's why they call it a package unit. This unit was installed in 1993. Makes it 27 years old. It's definitely outlived and it's past its life expectancy. This is something you definitely want to replace. As you can see, this thing's in poor condition. Got a really badly rusted main disconnect box right here. The gas line coming out of the unit is not even supported. If that breaks off right there, you got a major gas leak. And this gas line is rusted really badly all the way over to the where it runs down the exterior wall to the gas meter. So yeah, this unit has served its time and it's time to get replaced. You can see here they took roofing material and put it over the metal ducting, probably because the metal ducting was so badly rusted underneath here. This is a non-standard installation right here. So this is somebody just patching everything. A patch on a roof or an HVAC system is just like a Band-Aid on your arm. It's only gonna last for so long. Once again here, I can only assume that ducting was really rusted or it had holes in it, and that's why they put the roof tar over it with the roll roofing. This here, I have no idea what's going on here. Never seen that before. Condensate line for the AC. As you can see, the water's falling out of it. So this thing's not even turned correctly. So this thing's not even draining. This line should run all the way over here to the scupper, which is runs into the downspout for the roof drain. Also want to point out the electrical conduit coming from the bottom of the disconnect here is all broke. It's all damaged, as you can see. Exposed wires. Exposed wires here as well. Yeah, so this system could really use a replacing, new wiring, new everything.